Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you how to easily get 100,000 Facebook page like. So what you learn today? You learn why Facebook pages is the easiest ways for you to acquire new customer, and how you can get 100,000 Facebook likes using one simple method, and why you need a Facebook page to build your own fan base. Now, the good old referral business model is still present in Facebook page, whereby one page can refer to another page and one person actually refer you to another person. And it's always good for you to join similar groups like yours using your Facebook page profile. Now, this is a very important step that you need to take. When you have a business, always set up first a Facebook page and use this page to join other similar group like yours and share content. So when you share the content, there are people that like your content, you can actually invite them back to your page. So this is one good way and one free way that you can actually apply to your business. So like I've said, invite people back with the blue button. People who like your post, chances is that people will come to your page and like your page. Now you can also get them, people who like your page, to share by running a free giveaway. You can give away many things. For example, you can give away your services, you can give away your ebook, or you can give away your infographics. On the other side, you can run Facebook ads. For example, if you have a small budget, cater for a business, do a Facebook engagement ads. You do not need to spend a lot of money. Probably you just spend like less than $5 a day and test it out to see how many people actually likes what you have posted. And in this way, you can start collecting a list of people who are interested in what you do and what you have to offer. And in this way, you can also do remarketing back to them. So in summary, people with similar interest group will usually stay in the same group. Now, it's very unlikely that for a person to unjoin a group. And people usually, when they like a Facebook page, they usually will not go and unlike a page. And you can build your authority over your competitors. So if your competitors do not have a Facebook page, you have the advantage to acquire as many followers, as many fans as possible. So it's also one of the easy way to get social proof, especially if you are new, for you to acquire new customer, and customer can talk to each other. So if you have a business, I would recommend you to get a Facebook page. You can easily get a Facebook page set up. If you do not have a technical know-how, you can always get someone to set up for you for less than $5. So I hope this video is useful to you. Do like, comment, and share, and I'll see you in the next video.